Good medical morning. This is Watson with another look at some of our favorite weight loss transformations. Click like for some of these inspirational weight loss superstars. Also, comment below. What are your tips to losing weight? I compete in canoe races every summer, so that helps me keep weight off. Adam, my co-host on this channel, enjoys basketball and weightlifting. We both use Thynergy for an energy boost and to help suppress hunger. Here are my absolute favorite images of all time, and don't forget to tell us about your weight loss experiences. Click like for these body transformation superstars and enjoy the images. Also, if you're interested in losing weight, maybe it's time to get an appetite suppressant. Appetite suppressants do really work, and I'll put a link to my favorite below. It's called Thynergy, and it gets my personal seal of approval. Oh yeah, and it will give you a boost of energy that you won't believe. Now a word from former New York Giant Christian Sicoli.
Congratulations, Leanne, and everyone who lost weight with Thynergy. Great job, guys. I actually just did some hot yoga myself. Sweating pretty hard in the car right now. Loving the post-yoga vibes. That's how I'm staying fit right now. Also playing soccer here and there. Enjoying some soccer, yes. Used to be with the weights, but I'm taking a break from the weights. Probably will get back to them at some point. Anyway, congratulations, guys. Great job losing weight with Thynergy. Christian Sicoli signing out. Cheers, guys.
So, do you want the energy of a professional athlete so you can kick your workouts into high gear? Then check out Thynergy. Hundreds of people have lost weight using Thynergy to boost their metabolism and curb their appetite. I use it, Leanne uses it, and I think you should too. Check it out. There's an Amazon link below.